Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams and flight. And we'll
So we're just waiting for our ferry, and then that will take us back to the mainland, and then we're going to find a campsite. The weather's gorgeous again. It's cold, look at the skies, stunning. And everyone around here, who lives around here, seems to be surprised at the weather. So we've been very lucky. So yeah, Armadale ferry terminal, back to the mainland, and look for another campsite. Sorry about the wind sound. It's now 7:05 in the evening. Another glorious blue sky behind us, above us, everywhere. And we're just about to settle down for the obligatory game of Ludo. I say the obligatory game as if we only ever play it once. In truth, players beat me 3-0. So, let's get the dice rolling. Don't believe it. I don't believe it. She throws a 6 on her first. You didn't.
Oh, I did.
And she's out.
She's off.
She's off again. Here we go. Well, good morning. And a blustery morning it is. Completely different from yesterday. Yeah, what a difference. 24 hours. And if you remember yesterday, the bright blue skies, we're now looking at this. So it looks like the weather's coming in. Hugo's in the front there, still keeping an eye on things for us. So the plan for today is move off of this campsite. We're all refreshed, all the batteries are charged, and we're ready to rock and roll again. So it's pack up and move off. I think we're going to head back toward Fort William and then down toward Glencoe, depending on the weather. Either get out and about around Glencoe. We might go and have a look at the lock down the bottom near the village before going off into the wilderness parts again by Etive Mor and the Three Sisters down that way. So Claire's off getting ready. She had a bit of a lazy morning in bed. And there you go. And then, I don't know if I told you yesterday, a new addition. Excuse the bags. A nice Harris tweed woolen throw, which goes nice with the rest of Hugo when he's tidy, which I am about to sort out and remedy. It's a Silver Sands campsite, which is just near the ferry terminal that you can take to get over to the Isle of Skye. It's a lovely location campsite. The facilities are a little bit run down. The toilet blocks, they're clean, they're being cleaned, but they're not, they're just a little bit run down, a little bit old. You have to pay £1 for the hot water for a shower, which, you know, I don't mind, £1's a pound. However, some people, you know, if you're paying, I think it's £22, £23 a night to stay on a campsite, you'd expect the hot water in the showers to be free. So yeah, so apart from that, it's a great location, just on the other before you get to the ferry to go over to Skye. And the wonder returns, and she's cold. Shall I unlock the door, or shall I not unlock the door? Come on then.
Oh my god, it's cold. You banished me.
Yes.
Peeps, it's really cold. Ow.
That was a light fix in there. Been hammered into the roof. So yeah, let's get the show on the road. Claire's doing a bit of the limbo. Oh, oh. Another Bridget Jones moment. So, you feeling a little bit more human?
Do I look more human?
You always look human.
Various
So
states.
on that note, best I get tidying up the van. See you on the road. At Glencoe.
Yay! I needed a wee.
Okay, we needed a wee. Good, so we've made it to toilets. Toilets are just there. The main centre is just here. So there's a cafe there. and a little hotel motel place on the corner there. That cafe does take away or sit in, so that's pretty cool. The toilets are what you'd expect of United Kingdom's toilets. Enough said on that one, but they're here.
Ew.
So yeah, if you're caught short, if you're wild camping or anything like that, make your way into Glencoe village and you'll see them just off the main road as you're coming in from the south, and they're there on the right hand side. Failing that, if you're travelling between the hours of 9 and 5:30 in the evening, just as you come past Etive Mor and into Glencoe, visitor centres there on the left hand side, and if you go into there, there's a cafe and toilets there, but they close at 5:30, and we arrived there at 20 to 6, so we just carried on for the extra couple of miles into Glencoe and found a public toilet place here. There you go, enough about toilets. We're going to go and have to find ourselves a place to cook and sleep the night. There you go. Right, see you in a bit.
Bye.
Come for a quick walk around Glencoe, and over my shoulder there, ooh, there it goes. Our first deer. Good evening. It is now coming up to 10 o'clock at night. Still very light outside. I know you can't see through the raindrop smothered window. See? Excuse the picture quality, we're back on the phone at the moment. We're underneath Buachaille Etive Mor, I think that's how you say it. The big mountain, and hopefully we'll get out first thing in the morning and go and have a little look around there. We are parked directly underneath it down a little B road, but it's a good one. So yep, now
For now.
You know what time it is, people.
It's Ludo
It's
o'clock.
Ludo time. Can you believe I had to make this table just so we could play Ludo? So I've got the flip up one down here. No, we've got another one, so I'll make another table. Unfortunately, this is where the adventure ends. I lost far too much video footage to put together our last few days in Scotland. However, stick around because what follows are some of our favourite memories and a few images of what came next. As usual, thanks for watching and join us again on the road soon. Ta-ta for now.